Hi guys, welcome to the video. I said I was going to start with the wiring harness, but it's a junkyard. I'm going to be picking some stuff up, so let's go. Okay, I got back from the junkyard. Wasn't that exciting, but I found some stuff I could use. Some door cards, door seal, and some arrow wipers. I'm going to try to modify and put on a caddy. And a fuse box, because the one from the Cooper is totally wrecked, so I'm going to be using that one. Into a slight issue. The hole was 5mm smaller, so we're gonna try to fit it, but I might be getting myself into some work here, so we'll see. Is almost complete. There are two broken plugs I need to fix. Of course, the mass airflow. I don't know what guys do with this stuff, but they always break. So, and one for the headlight, it's also broken. But I have some new ones, so I'll fix those. Let's go. Okay guys, I'll show you real quick how to change out a plug. There's the new one. There's a lock in here. You need to take that out. You need a special tool. I have the original feed up one, but you can also get a AliExpress special, so it should work also. You insert this tool. And you could push it out. There you go. Just keep track where it goes. So this guy is number 8. Number 8. Easy. It's not locking. There's small tabs. They need to be pushed out. otherwise it won't latch. Like that. Number 8. There you go. There it is, guys. It's in there. So, speed up the rest. Let's go. I got the rear brakes off finally. This is the original stub axle from the Caddy. I was hoping it would be a direct swap with the Cupra one, but not the case, of course. Nothing goes the way I hope, so this is what it is. I'm going to retap and re-drill this guy. I lose about 1 centimeter of track width using the Cupra ones, but the Cupra came with some ridiculous spacers, 20 mil, so should be good. So guys, I've run out of time. It's not the greatest video, I know, not the best content, but yeah, the build, man, it's a lot more work than I expect, so, and everything fights me, but hey, I will get it done. I will do it on this channel. I'm really happy you guys watch my videos. Thanks a lot, it means a lot. Time is the most valuable thing you have, so spending it watching my videos is an honor. Thank you guys. I hope you like this one. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.